Hi, Randall.
Hi, Flapper.
How are you?
Good.
That's good to hear. Why are you looking over your glasses?
Yeah.
You look old
You look old?
when you do that.
Yeah.
Push them babies up.
Yeah.
Oh, he took them off.
I don't need if you eat Flapper.
I know you don't need it. You just want everybody to see that you have glasses.
You just Flapper.
So, what do we have for dinner today?
You know we have white rice, Flapper. Mm-hmm. We have chicken, but what kind of chicken is Flapper?
So, you remember our whole thing about traveling the world with different cuisines?
Yes.
We have Filipino chicken adobo.
Filipino chicken adobo.
Chicken what?
Chicken Filipino chicken adobo.
Adobo. Why it sound like you're saying double? Chicken adobo.
Chicken adobo.
All right, then it's okay. Another day, another time, another
No,
place,
no,
another life. Adobo.
Adobo.
There we go. Chicken adobo.
Chicken adobo.
You're close enough.
Okay.
You're close enough.
So this is a Filipino chicken.
Yes.
Chicken
adobo.
Adobo.
Yes, they usually have it with like potatoes and egg, but I already know how you are. We already have too much carbs, so I want to add more to it.
Okay.
Okay.
So.
Are you excited?
Yes, but this is what, cinnamon?
No, that's bay leaves.
Bay leaves.
You can push that to the side. I just wanted to take my pictures with it.
And you see, Filipino style is.
Yes.
So you're gonna Philippine now.
Wait, so where did we go?
Philippine.
Daddy,
yes.
We're in the Philippines.
Yeah, Philippine they call it though, Philippine.
Philippine, that's crazy. Yeah. Okay. You know my ex is Filipino, so...
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a long time.
So go ahead. Told you you're in my business.
Maybe you're busy in the internet, Flapper.
Go eat.
You're busy in the internet.
And guess what I'm going to do? Delete all your apps.
You can't delete.
Because I know you can't get them back.
Me tell you, Flapper. Me take your phone away, Flapper. And you put on your phone going like Flapper.
Sir, go ahead and leave me alone.
Okay, Flapper.
Yes, Randall.
Filipino chicken adobo.
Okay. Adobo.
Adobo.
Yes. So you're going to start with the chicken first?
Yes. That chicken look good.
It does.
So, Flapper.
Randall?
I feel the same season you use?
I use a little bit of our all-purpose seasoning.
Like one what, Flapper?
I use garlic powder, onion powder, and a little bit of our all-purpose seasoning. Everything else is from their recipe. And they use garlic. So garlic, all that, and onion was a part of the recipe.
But they never say they cook chicken like we, Flapper.
It's the same thing.
Chicken adobo.
Oh my God. It's the fact that you're still trying to pronounce this. It looks so good. I can't wait to eat.
Because it looks like so chicken.
That's what it looks like. That's because I'm like, because they use soy sauce, brown sugar, vinegar. So it's like different things that they use to make it. But when it was cooking down, I'm like, this looks familiar.
Papa?
Randall?
This have to be show chicken. I feel it's show chicken is Papa.
That's what I'm like.
But, yeah, but a little bit of different taste.
Yeah, it has, because the vinegar, the soy sauce, all
Papa.
that.
Philippine bad.
Please.
This is a Philippine chicken and bad. Papa, I feel like a show chicken, Papa.
Mm-hmm. What a twist.
Just one night, Papa.
What?
Just one night.
Pepper?
Yes.
You know I have to. They didn't add pepper, but I already know. already know the drill.
Papa.
Randall.
No. Papa.
Richard?
Papa. Papa. I tell you say. Send the recipe. Send out the recipe, Papa.
Oh, wow.
Many people hear me I say, taste something tastes good. Send the recipe and make them try it.
This one's definitely, because
Papa, send out the recipe.
wait, you know how I never taste, like I never eat before you come.
Papa.
But this one looks so good, I had to taste it.
Okay.
I had to taste it because it looks so good.
Papa, send out this recipe.
Most definitely.
I want to see who say you can't cook Papa.
Wait, who said that?
No. You send out the recipe, Papa. Just like Philippine
Jesus,
Adobo bad.
clear your mouth and say that one more time. I need him to understand what I put up with.
This here Filipino
Oh.
or Philippine Adobo bad. Send out the recipe, Papa. To your fans them.
Okay,
Papa.
no, for your fans, one more time.
Filipino or Filipino Adobo chicken. Send out it spicy and it's nice and one different flavor. But 90% of how I should
Because,
chicken.
like, I put my own little twist to it, but I use all their ingredients. The
Trust
only
me.
thing different I did was
Papa,
all-purpose.
Papa, this year, send out the recipe.
And
If
well,
want to try it. And tell and make them send back to Randall and say, it's bad. This grass, Papa.
okay, one more time for the one time. The name of the dish?
Filipino chicken Adobo. What do you want to call it, Papa? Papa.
This is who raised me.
Papa, I don't care, Papa.
Philippine Adobo.
Papa, this is chicken.
Yes.
The chicken at 10, you know?
Period.
10.5. I'm going to give 5 your rice for white rice.
Yeah, it's just a simple
10.5, Papa. This is chicken, it's bad.
But I tasted it. This is the first time I've ever eaten a bit before you came because it looked and smelled so good. As a bad chef, any country, anytime.
Papa,
Randall?
tell you. So where you go next, Papa?
I downloaded an app that spins it around the world and picks a country.
Papa, the
Randall?
pepper is bad.
Period. Anything else?
No,
Boots me
I'm
up?
proud of you, Papa.
Oh, thank you.
No, one there can
Oh, okay, no?
10.5, still me I give 10.5.
So why you get so mad when I'm feeling myself?
No, because...
Your
you
biggest
say
haters are always your parents.
I don't care, Papa. 10.5 and cut. Papa, make me say, send out the ingredients to your fans them.
Period.
And tell Daddy Randall say, try this one. Happy.
Yes.
Can I have some more rice and gravy, please?
Rice in?
Gravy. Are you saying chicken done? So, yeah,
Why are you exposing that?
No, but you say,
Because I packed you lunch.
yeah, but you say, what?
Go
It's
away.
rice and gravy.
Goodbye.